Is the ball. Bashir is the bowler. Good ball. Bashir with this next ball. It's a crucial over. So far, no boundary in this over. So captain to captain. Good first ball. No runs from the first ball. Second ball. Wide. Third ball. And boundary on the third ball. 4 runs. Mushtaq in the sense of responsibility, he has a great duty to serve. Alright, 4th ball and beat, very controlled bowling. Second last ball of the over. No ball. Free hit. Bashir will deliver the final over of his spell, 4th over for his spell, and is with the first ball, a good ball and great straight drive and 4 runs from the very first ball. Now 82 was required before the start of the over, 78 now on 29 balls. A great contest to see the second ball of the over. It's again a great understanding of the game, and he judged the ball early, delivered a maximum. Alright, third ball, good ball. The 4th ball, 2 boundaries come from the first 2 balls, 3rd ball was beat, and now the 4th ball, single from the 4th ball. Castle will face the 5th ball. The last ball. It's a great contest between Bashir and Castle. He will deliver last ball. He want to save the ball, and Castle will go for the maximum. It's a wide ball. Again, extra ball will be bowled by Bashir. Again, Bashir with the ball. Castle will face the ball. A great shot on the cover side, but no single. Mushtaq will face in the next over as well. Bashir conceived only 12 runs, and at this stage it's good over. Now see what Farooq will do with his ball, and Mushtaq skipper would face skipper to skipper the first ball of the over. Good shot on the leg side. 2 runs. 2 runs from the very first ball. Good strategy to face again the second ball. Yeah, it's a maximum. It's a maximum on second ball. The game, the third ball, wide. So far, very good over for Pak Shama. 9 runs from the very first 2 balls. Farooq with the third ball. Oh, it's a slow delivery. Good sense of the ball. Great contest to see. Right. 4th ball and a maximum is expected, but I think it's a 4. It's a 4 runs boundary. Very long side of the ground. Long on. Okay, so last 2 balls. Let's see what results come out of it. A great sixer, much needed boundary. A great boundary, a great shot from Mushtaq, the skipper. Now 1 to go, last ball. Again on the very long side of the boundary. Let's see what's the result. It's a maximum, I think. It's a sixer. It's a sixer. So 47 runs required on 18 balls with 5 wickets in hand. Musad is the new bowler and he has great responsibility on his shoulders. He will bowl the first over of the spell, and Castle will face. His first ball, a wide. Easy runs for Park Shema Cricket Club. Again, the first ball is a single from Casa. He has the duty to give strike to Mushtaq, and Mushtaq now will face the second ball. A great maximum sixer on the long side of the boundary. A great, much needed boundary. And Mushtaq is delivering, mashallah. The third ball of the over. Again maximum. Mashallah, on the longer side of the boundary. Great inning by Mushtaq. Much needed inning. And now Mubashir will, he will consult and he will give some advice to the bowler, because these are very dangerous balls. Again, great boundary on the fourth ball as well. Great strike by Mushtaq. He's doing what he needs to do, what the required thing to do at this time. Again, boundary on the leg side. Mashallah, he's very strong at the leg side. I don't know, both teams have great rivalry and they have great experience with each other. Many contests they have contested over a period of time, but I don't know why. Musad is much experienced bowler and he will deliver the last ball. And again, it's a sixer on the front side, on the straight. Great batting. In so much pressure, few players can handle this pressure, and Mushtaq is one of those players. He always delivers. A much dependable batsman. He proved himself over the years. Great batsman, a great scene to see. Now the second last over, the responsibility is given to Adil. He will deliver the last over and he have to save. Now Kasser will face, Adil will bowl. Adil, great bowler, no doubt. He has great record. He has delivered when the team needed. From the bright future side, he will deliver the second last over. Much needed over. 19 runs required in the last 2 overs, and he has the responsibility to defend that. First ball, Kasser, he delivered. He was asked